Developers at Spotify stopped writing code manually in December 2025. Not because they were lazy, because Claude Code did it for them. Let me explain you what Claude Code is, because this changes everything. Claude Code is not a chatbot. It is an AI that lives inside your computer terminal and actually does your work. You go to Claude Code and type in plain English, build me a login page with email and password validation. Claude Code reads your entire project, understands your code, writes the code, plans the changes, tests them, and shows the preview to you that what it exactly did before asking your permission. You review it, you approve it, done. The best part, no Stack Overflow, no copy and pasting from ChatGPT, and no long and lengthy YouTube tutorials. Right now, Claude Code is responsible for 4% of the code present over GitHub globally every single day. This is video 1 of my complete Claude Code series. So make sure you subscribe my channel so that you do not miss anything.